Foxit PDF Editor's Action Wizard makes it easy to prepare and validate accessible PDFs in just a few steps. Our HR team just finalized a new employee benefit summary. Before we share it with staff, we need to make sure it's accessible to everyone, including screen reader users. I'll start by checking whether the file has tags. I can do that from the Tags panel or by running a full check from the Accessibility tab. I can also open the Accessibility report for a more detailed view. I could tag the document manually using the Reading Order tool, but the Action Wizard is a much faster way to do this. I'll go to File, Action Wizard, and choose Make Accessible. I'll click Start to begin the process. The first step is adding a document description. I'll uncheck anything I want to skip, and then add a title and subject. Next, it asks me to recognize text. I'll choose the language and click OK. Now it checks for form fields. I'll click Yes to let it detect any fillable forms. Next, I'll set the reading language. Foxit now tags the document automatically. Now I'll add alternative text. I'll describe each image or mark decorative ones as needed. Finally, I'll run the full accessibility check. The results will appear in the tab on the left. Logical reading order and color contrast always show up. Those require manual checks. I'll go to the Reading Order panel and confirm everything flows logically. I can drag and drop items to fix issues. When it looks correct, I right-click on Logical Reading Order and mark it Pass. Same for color contrast. I right-click and mark that Pass too. We've set our high contrast preferences already in Foxit Settings. If I see any flagged table summaries, I can right-click, click Explain, and choose Skip if it's not required. And that's it. The PDF is now accessible and ready to share with assistive technologies. PDFs like this are essential in many industries, like patient rights forms in healthcare, syllabi in education, or internal HR documents. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.